Be a death sentence for many companies. Giant retailer Wesfarmers says Victoria's predicament is also affecting confidence elsewhere. Here's finance correspondent PHILLIP LASKER.
The boxes and products piling up at the headquarters of this homewares retailer were destined for Melbourne.
It's really devastating. It's really difficult to know how to handle it.
One of 2 Melbourne stores has been shut and the surviving 17 staff have an uncertain future. Requiring less than 5 new COVID cases to end the lockdown in Victoria is a bridge too far for Terri Winter.
I think the problem now is that the numbers that everybody's looking for are becoming unrealistic.
Bigger players, angry about the lack of consultation, say the cure is proving worse than the disease.
But we do think that there are ways in which we can progressively reopen businesses, progressively get back to work in a COVID-safe way.
Before COVID, Victoria boasted one of the fastest growing state economies due to population growth. The state accounts for a quarter of the nation's construction jobs. It also punches above its weight in some labour-intensive sectors. More than a third of manufacturing and arts and recreation jobs are in Victoria, and over 25% of agriculture jobs. The state is now experiencing a household spending shock much greater than the rest of the country, and a major shakeout in the jobs market, leaving the national unemployment rate higher for longer. It also changes the country's growth trajectory, possibly prolonging the national recession.
Either way, the economy is very, very soft, and that's as a result of what's happening in Victoria.
Uncertainty has replaced excitement in the run-up to Christmas.
I don't know how anyone expects to be able to be prepared for Christmas and have a business survive.
Not a festive season, possibly a killing season. PHILLIP LASKER, ABC News.